We are FYI Sci.
We are FYI Sci.
We are FYI Sci.
We are FYI Sci. Bringing science to you.
Science to you.
Bringing science to you.
Bringing science to you.
Recently, this past September, the southern United States territories have been hit hard by Hurricanes Harvey, Irma, and Maria. Hurricane Harvey had a death toll of 77, Hurricane Irma had a death toll of 134, and Hurricane Maria had a death toll of 48. But what is a hurricane? A hurricane is a tropical storm with winds that reach or exceed 74 miles per hour and occur in the Atlantic or East Pacific Ocean. These storms are known as typhoons in the West Pacific Ocean and cyclones in the North Indian Ocean. Internationally, these storms are called tropical cyclones. The largest tropical cyclone in history is Typhoon Tip that hit the Philippines in 1979, while the most massive hurricane was Hurricane Patricia, hit the Pacific coast of Mexico in 2015. As you may know, hurricanes are classified into categories from 1 to 5, depending on their wind speed and destruction potential. Hurricanes that fall into Category 1 possess winds of 119 to 153 kilometers per hour, causing possible damage to poorly constructed homes, tree branches, and power lines. By far the most destructive and feared, though, Category 5 storms strike with winds of 252 kilometers per hour or higher, demolishing most homes, power lines, and trees. Very heavy flooding occurs along the coast, and mass evacuations are often held in this event. Areas may be left uninhabitable for months. Although hurricanes can definitely occur outside these margins, hurricane season in the Atlantic Ocean runs from June 1st to November 30th, and hurricane activity peaks in August, early September, and once more in October. Scientists don't know exactly why or how hurricanes form, but warm water and invariable winds are the two main conditions necessary for hurricane formation. Warm water provides the energy for a storm, and the low vertical wind shear helps build up hurricanes. Hurricanes form over warm ocean waters and sometimes strike land. When a hurricane reaches land, it pushes a wall of ocean water ashore. This water is commonly referred to as a storm surge. Storm surges cause heavy rain and flooding, mainly along the coast. Let's talk about the stages of development of hurricanes. Hurricanes start out as a tropical disturbance where rain clouds build over warm waters. These tropical disturbances develop into tropical depressions, which are areas of rotating thunderstorms with strong winds of up to 62 miles per hour. Tropical depressions then progress into tropical storms. Tropical storms carry winds of at least 63 miles per hour. Tropical storms become hurricanes if their winds exceed 74 miles per hour. The two most important parts of a hurricane are its size and its eye. Hurricanes can stretch over 500 miles in diameter, being storms nearly the size of Texas, and can reach a height of 9 miles. In a powerful hurricane, the eye is easily identified, whereas in a smaller hurricane, the eye can be quite ambiguous. Inside the eye of a hurricane, the winds are calmer, but right outside the eye, in an area known as the eye wall, a ring of towering thunderstorms with the most severe weather and wind speeds occur. The effects of hurricanes are colossal. They often cause horrific physical destruction, which include defoliated forest canopies and completely altered ecosystems, which can lead to endangered species. In addition, hurricanes can be detrimental to the economy as they require billions of dollars to clean up. Homes and cities are often devastated, leaving people without food and fresh water. In addition to physical effects, hurricanes often cause immense psychological effects, including post-traumatic stress disorder. For example, Hurricane Harvey, which struck Texas in late August and early September, had reparations totaling $180 billion. Over 100,000 homes were damaged and flooding occurred everywhere. Hurricanes are obviously a detrimental force in today's day and age, as billions of dollars are required for hurricane relief and death tolls range from dozens to several thousands. Hurricane frequency is also thought to have increased as a result of global warming. As already stated, the warm water provides the optimal breeding ground for hurricanes, causing for higher temperatures to give rise to more hurricanes. Communities must work together to spread awareness about the potential horrors of hurricanes in order to be prepared to face them. Hurricanes are inevitable, but communities can reduce their effects on society by taking